Connect your live Looker data to Excel in just seconds. After installing Coefficient from the Microsoft Add-in Store, launch the app from the top Excel ribbon on any workbook. Select Import From and choose Looker as your data source. You can create your connection using either OAuth or Client ID and Secret. Let's start by creating an import from Models and Explorers. First, we'll choose the model we would like to investigate and then the Explorer within that model. We can choose to select all available fields from this Explorer or simply pick and choose the ones we need for our analysis. You can also apply filters using this top filtering menu. Click Refresh Preview to see your data in action. Once you're happy with the dataset, click Import to bring this data into a new tab in your Excel workbook. And just like that, our first import is ready to go. Now we can set it up to automatically refresh once every week, day, or as frequently as once every hour. Next up, let's try importing from dashboards and looks. Here you can select any dashboard or look that your user has access to. Let's import our full transaction list. Finally, let's try creating an import from an Explore URL. This is the perfect option for ad hoc analysis where you've already built an Explorer in your Looker browser instance, and you can simply copy and paste the URL over. And just like that, our Explorer is now live in our workbook. Now that you've created your first few imports from Looker, try some of Coefficient's other features, such as sending Slack and email alerts as your data changes, pushing writebacks back to your source systems from Excel, and even blending Looker data with additional imports from hundreds of other business systems, including CRMs and financial platforms.